It's currently 6:20. Good morning, and we are going to Milfordsound. Let's go. Chloe's so excited. She's started snowboarding. She's a professional snowboarder now. She's actually done really well, actually. I'm very proud of you, by the way. She's shredding hard, dude. And yeah, Jake's gonna drive us in his classic, I don't know what car it is, but yeah, we've got Amanda and Anita. Woo!
Breakfast Subway at 8 a.m. How is it?
So good. My brain doesn't know what's going on.
How is it?
You left a bit for later. You got any pets at home?
No.
Fantastic. Great chat.
I get a bit awkward. I look horrific.
Ha! Literally. Oh, excited. Oh, pictures never do it bloody justice.
They don't.
Do they? 1001. 1002.
Oh no!
I ended up paying like, I don't know, £5.50.
That's so good.
That's pretty cheap. I got bought it from me. Prepare to go, 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 oh god. Took a month off the tires. Well, you gotta hold your breath. You gotta hold your breath. Ready? 2, 1.
No, I get up.
Finally got to Milford.
Finally arrived, guys. Woo!
Took us how long? How long did that take us?
Not 5.5 hours.
Well, I predict
I reckon driving time 4 hours.
driving time 4 hours. Apparent to Jake, the driver. Very good driver, by the way. But yeah, we're just waiting for the boat, which should be good. We paid $79 each for the boat. This is Anita. She's from Australia.
Oh.
And what do you like, Anita? Do you like pasta?
Yeah, I love pasta.
Do you like pasta?
I'm cooking with my pans.
What other?
Pans.
Dada. What dada you got?
Data.
Dada.
Data.
Don't worry. As you can see, Anita is in the wild eating a cracker, and that is Chloe eating a bit of cheese with a cracker. Opinion check. And I'm getting attacked by flies.
Good snack.
Good snack.
Yum, yum, yum. Do you guys want some? Oh, thank you.
I think I just ate a fly.
I'm in the mood.
Welcome to my crib, guys. Mummy and Daddy bought this for me for my 16th birthday. I only have like 60 parties on it a year. They obviously buy all the alcohol and all the drugs. Oh, sorry, not alcohol. So yeah, come on board and see what's inside.
Milford Sound.
There's a guy, he's like a traveller, and he takes pictures everywhere he goes, and he just always pulls like a bit like that, just the most miserable face. Like, he's in all these amazing pyramids behind him, it's just like,
I hate that. This was a $79 experience. Would I say it was worth it? Probably. Yeah, no buffet included.
Yeah, if I got the buffet.
The buffet was included maybe. But yeah, no, it was very
12-hour
good.
experience.
It's 12 hours. It is with the drive. It's 12 hours.
$10 an hour parking.
Yeah. Make sure you come with 5-6 people.
Look at your face.
Oh my, look like a ghost.
This is what Queenstown's doing to us.
I miss my tan.
Vitamin D.
Vitamin D.
Who wants it?
Vitamin D.
Well done. I feel like as well pictures do not do justice of Milford Sound as well, so don't worry about the pictures, do it yourself and you'll see the beautiful views in my opinion. But yeah, overall it was fucking sick. The Milford experience I thought was really good. Lovely views. I'm really happy we did it with Southern Discoveries. Highly recommend them. They've got a lovely clear view on top of the boat which you can see. They do some good food as well which we didn't get, which wasn't included in our package. But yeah, highly recommend doing Milford Sound, must do if you're in the south of New Zealand. It was about a 4-hour drive I think from Queenstown, so yeah, highly recommend. It's been a long ass day though. We literally left at I think about 6:30, so it was up about 6, so it's been a long day. I didn't get in from work till about 12 last night as well, so I had about 4 or 5 hours sleep, so I'm absolutely shattered, but well worth the experience. I may have a nap in the car, so yeah, no guarantees, but
Look at all the sheep.
look at all those chickens.
So we stopped here at the gas station, we're sharing an apple, everything's fine, everyone slept. We're good.
Having an apple. We
Pretty
all
good.
slept in the car.